Welcome to our exploration of the epic world of Middle-earth in J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings trilogy. In this segment, we will introduce the book and lay the foundation for our journey through its rich tapestry of characters and events. In this section, we will provide an overview of the book, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, written by J.K. Rowling. This fantasy novel was first published in 1997 and is the first book in the Harry Potter series. It follows the story of a young wizard named Harry who discovers his magical abilities and enters a magical school called Hogwarts. We will discuss how this book introduces readers to the world of magic and sets the foundation for the subsequent adventures in the series. In this section, we will discuss the significance of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone in the realm of fantasy literature. The book has had a significant impact on the genre, popularizing it and attracting a new generation of readers to fantasy fiction. It has also inspired other fantasy series and has a dedicated fan base. We will explore the themes of friendship, courage, and the battle between good and evil that have resonated with readers and made this book a timeless classic in the fantasy genre. In this section, we will delve into the main themes and elements of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. The book explores the battle between good and evil, emphasizing the power of love and friendship. It also highlights the importance of courage and sacrifice. Additionally, the story delves into themes of identity, destiny, and the contrast between the magical and non-magical realms. The book is filled with elements of magic, adventure, mystery, and coming of age, introducing readers to a captivating world of unique characters, spells, and magical creatures. In this segment, we will embark on a character study of the members of the Fellowship of the Ring. From the humble hobbit Frodo Baggins to the wise wizard Gandalf and the valiant Aragorn, we will explore the depths of their personalities and the roles they play in the grand tale. In this story, the main characters include Frodo Baggins, Gandalf the Grey, Aragorn, Legolas, and Gimli. Each of these characters has their own motivations, relationships, and character arcs. In this segment, we will delve into the captivating plot of The Lord of the Rings, starting with the momentous journey of Frodo Baggins from the peaceful Shire to the foreboding land of Rivendell. Brace yourself for adventure as we uncover the twists and turns that set the stage for the quest to destroy the One Ring. In the first part of the book, Frodo embarks on a journey from the peaceful Shire to Rivendell. He faces many challenges and obstacles along the way, including the pursuit of the Ringwraiths. With the help of his loyal friends, Frodo manages to reach Rivendell safely. Once there, he learns about the true nature of the ring and the looming threat of Sauron. A council is formed to discuss what should be done with the ring, and Frodo volunteers to take it to Mount Doom. This marks the formation of the Fellowship, who will accompany Frodo on his dangerous quest. Join us on a journey through the vast and enchanting realm of Middle-earth. In this segment, we will explore the rich tapestry of landscapes, races, and cultures that J.R.R. Tolkien meticulously created in The Lord of the Rings. From the idyllic Shire to the majestic elven realms, we will uncover the wonders and secrets of this magical setting. Let's take a closer look into the intricately crafted world of Middle-earth. We'll start by discussing the different realms, races, and cultures depicted in the book. Firstly, Middle-earth is divided into various realms such as Gondor, Rohan, and Mordor. Each realm has its own unique characteristics and political structure. Next, let's explore the races. The book introduces several races including hobbits, elves, dwarves, and men. Each race possesses distinct traits, abilities, and cultures. Moving on to the cultures, they are rich and diverse in Middle-earth. They are heavily influenced by the history, geography, and mythology of the world. Speaking of geography, Middle-earth is composed of vast and varied landscapes, including towering mountains, enchanting forests, meandering rivers, and sprawling plains. The geography plays a crucial role in shaping the events and journeys of the characters. Now, let's delve into the history. The history of Middle-earth spans thousands of years and is filled with epic battles, alliances, and the rise and fall of kingdoms. Lastly, we have mythology. The world of Middle-earth is steeped in ancient myths and legends that provide a deeper understanding of the origins and powers of the various races and creatures. Prepare to be swept away by the awe-inspiring battles and heroic moments in The Lord of the Rings. In this segment, we will witness the clash of armies and the valor of individuals as they stand against the forces of darkness. Join us as we explore the epic scale of these conflicts and the timeless themes they embody. In The Lord of the Rings, epic battles and heroic feats are depicted. The Battle of Helm's Deep and the Battle of the Pelennor Fields are major conflicts in the story. The Battle of Helm's Deep was a true test of bravery and sacrifice, as the forces of good defended the fortress against the armies of evil. The Battle of the Pelennor Fields was a crucial turning point in the war, where the forces of good triumphed over the armies of Sauron. The Lord of the Rings explores the themes of bravery, sacrifice, and the triumph of good over evil, as the characters face numerous challenges and dangers, but ultimately emerge victorious. In this segment, we will encounter the fantastical creatures and magical beings that inhabit the pages of The Lord of the Rings. From the wise and powerful wizards to the ancient and noble elves, be prepared to be captivated by the diverse and mystical inhabitants of Tolkien's imagination. Let's dive deeper into the enchanting world of magical beings and wondrous creatures in The Lord of the Rings. First, let's list the key points. Uncover the deeper layers of meaning and symbolism in The Lord of the Rings. In this segment, we will delve into the themes of the story, from the age-old battle of light against darkness to the enduring power of friendship and fellowship. Together, we will unravel the messages that J.R.R. Tolkien weaves throughout his epic tale. The struggle between good and evil is a central theme in The Lord of the Rings. The characters are faced with difficult choices and must overcome their own inner demons in order to do what is right. The power of the ring represents the temptation of evil, and the characters must resist its allure in order to maintain their goodness. This theme resonates with readers because it reflects the ongoing struggle between good and evil in the real world. It reminds us that the choices we make and the actions we take have consequences, and that we must always strive to do what is right. Friendship and loyalty are strong themes in The Lord of the Rings. The characters rely on their bonds of friendship to support one another and overcome the challenges they face. The fellowship formed by the main characters demonstrates the power of friendship in the face of great adversity. These friendships are tested and strengthened throughout the story, showing the importance of loyalty and trust. This theme resonates with readers because it reminds us of the value of true friendship and the strength it can provide in difficult times. The corruption of power is a recurring theme in The Lord of the Rings. Characters like Gollum and Saruman are corrupted by their desire for power, leading them to betray those they once cared about. The ring itself represents the corrupting influence of power, as it tempts its bearers to use it for their own gain. This theme resonates with readers because it serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of unchecked power and the corrupting influence it can have on individuals. It reminds us of the importance of humility and the need to resist the allure of power. The themes in The Lord of the Rings resonate with readers because they explore universal concepts of morality and the human experience. They remind us of the ongoing struggle between good and evil in the real world, and the choices we must make. The messages of the story are timeless, reminding us of the power of good over evil, the importance of loyalty and friendship, and the dangers of unchecked power. These messages continue to resonate with readers because they reflect timeless truths about the human condition and the choices we face in our own lives. They serve as a reminder to always strive for goodness and to resist the temptations of power and corruption. In this segment, we will focus on the central protagonist of The Lord of the Rings, Frodo Baggins. Witness his harrowing journey to destroy the One Ring and the personal sacrifices he must make along the way. Together, we will delve into the depths of Frodo's character and the profound impact of his quest. Frodo Baggins embarks on an epic quest to destroy the One Ring. His journey is filled with peril and challenges, as he confronts dangerous creatures and treacherous landscapes. Despite his fears and doubts, Frodo finds the strength to continue. However, the weight of the ring takes a toll on his physical and emotional well-being. Nevertheless, Frodo's determination and resilience drive him forward towards his ultimate goal. Frodo Baggins makes numerous sacrifices throughout his journey. He puts the needs of others above his own safety and endures great pain and hardship for the greater good. Frodo willingly leaves behind his comfortable life in the Shire in order to fulfill his mission. His sacrifices highlight his bravery and selflessness, as he dedicates himself to the cause of saving Middle-earth. The quest to destroy the One Ring exacts a heavy toll on Frodo Baggins. Physically, he endures exhaustion and strain from the arduous journey. Emotionally, the weight of the ring takes a toll on his mental well-being, as he becomes increasingly affected by its corrupting influence. As the journey progresses, Frodo's physical and emotional well-being deteriorates, showcasing the high price he pays in his mission to save Middle-earth. In this segment, we will examine the critical reception and lasting impact of The Lord of the Rings. Explore how J.R.R. Tolkien's masterwork has shaped the landscape of fantasy literature and inspired countless authors, filmmakers, and fans. Join us as we celebrate the enduring legacy of this beloved epic. The critical reception of The Lord of the Rings has been overwhelmingly positive. Critics have praised the book for its imaginative storytelling, intricate world-building, and depth of characters. The epic scope of the story and attention to detail have also been widely admired. Despite some initial skepticism, the book has become a beloved and highly respected work in the realm of literature. The enduring legacy of The Lord of the Rings is undeniable. The book has had a profound impact on literature and popular culture, inspiring countless fantasy works and becoming a cornerstone of the genre. Its influence can be seen in the works of authors such as George R.R. Martin and Terry Brooks. The book's themes and messages continue to resonate with readers, making it a timeless and enduring classic. The Lord of the Rings has had a significant influence on subsequent fantasy works. Its richly imagined world, complex characters, and themes of good versus evil, friendship, and perseverance have set a high standard for the genre. Many authors have been inspired by Tolkien's success, resulting in a wide range of fantasy works influenced by The Lord of the Rings. The book has also popularized the use of invented languages and detailed world-building in fantasy literature. The Lord of the Rings has had a profound influence on the world of filmmaking. The highly successful film trilogy directed by Peter Jackson brought Tolkien's epic to life on the big screen, garnering praise for its faithful adaptation and groundbreaking visual effects. The films introduced The Lord of the Rings to a whole new audience and solidified its place in popular culture. Their success also sparked increased interest in fantasy and paved the way for other book-to-film adaptations. As we reach the end of our exploration, let's reflect on the myriad of reasons why The Lord of the Rings remains a timeless masterpiece. From its richly crafted world and complex characters to its profound themes and enduring messages, discover why this epic saga continues to enthrall readers of all ages. The key points discussed throughout the video are: The Lord of the Rings continues to captivate readers and stands the test of time. The reasons for its enduring popularity include strong characters and compelling storylines, rich world-building and immersive settings, themes of good versus evil and heroism, its influence on the fantasy genre, emotional resonance and universal themes, and engaging storytelling and masterful writing.